before, in this game is very slow, so I have to take this very slow and steady, or I'm gonna get hit and killed. Or not killed. It's just a game, but still. So wish me luck. You would think that in other accounts this would be fast. Nah, it's still very laggy. But not relatively corrupted. To the point it's unplayable. But getting these power-ups, these speed power-ups will not help fasten the game. I also need to watch out in case these guys try to trap me. Cause sometimes if I don't have the kick power-up, if I make one mistake, it all blows apart. And I'll pay the consequences. We're just probably gonna be getting dirty. Psych. Make no mistake in this very laggy game, or else pay the consequences, which is getting covered in your own plumpster. It's all about taking this slow and steady. Do not rush. Do not rush ahead like an impulsive fighter. Patience is key. It's okay to sacrifice power-ups if it means you have to survive to make sure you don't lose all your candy. I'll do this one at a time, just to make sure I do not mess up. Do not raise any stakes. I was expecting Patrick to go right there. But nope, he had to take another path. Sad. Oh, I might not make it. Never mind, I made it. I made it. I got the power up. You think I didn't get it? You're crazy. You think I didn't got the power up? You'll go to the asylum for that, because you're being delusional. You underestimated me. Oh, I think I sacrificed my power up. Well, I don't think it might be worth it because sometimes it could be a trap. And you know, getting tricked is dangerous, as it means you'll lose your power-ups. No joke. Getting tricked is usually absurd, funny, but here, you cannot be tricked. Otherwise, bam, all power-ups are lost. You lose all power-ups. Just me and Swimmer watching Patrick and Sandy get caught in the crossfire. Two bros hanging out. Well, not exactly bros, but you get the drip. I need to make it louder so you all can hear this. I want you all to hear the game sounds, not just my voice. Are you? Sorry, there's stupid ads, and I hate them. I hate it when they come by without any warning. I hate it when they interrupt my recording. Because playing different fun upbeat music is much more fun than just regular ones. I gotta concentrate. Try not to be as talkative as I can, otherwise I'm one clumster away from losing Candy. Really glad he did not collect a extended explosion power up. Yeah, that's what it's called. Extended explosion power up. The radius becomes much powerful as you collect that thing. The green icon where a poster has a plus icon. Oh! I could have sworn I almost believed that he has that extended explosion power up, where the explosion becomes much more powerful and reaches much longer distance. I'm glad he doesn't. Can I blow him up while he has collected that? Will reach him? Confirmed! Myth confirmed. And I think Sandy now lost her power-ups. So sad. So sad. Dude, you almost scared me. I was led to believe you have an extended explosion power-up. That could ruin my run, but it didn't. I win. Yes! Hell yeah. Anyways, that's Boo or Boom. It's very short, but very fun. I hope you like it. Anyways, I'll upload this very soon. See